Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our lesson. Okay, so in our previous lesson we were able to do this. Okay, now we want to work on the footer. That's this whole section. Okay, that's the footer. So to do that, let's go to our project. Okay, so inside our VS Code, I'm going to type footer. So first, let's see where this is. Okay, so outside this closing tag, I'm going to type footer. And then inside the footer, we're going to do some lists. Okay, so first we have ordered and unordered list. So we want to create lists. Okay, so that's an ordered list. So to do that, we'll do a UL. Then I'm going to give it a class. Sorry, I should have given it a class name. So let me give it a class name. So call it FT1. Okay, so that's going to be one of my lists. Okay, it's going to help us to style it separately. So inside it, I'm going to create a list. So li going to be our FAQ, frequently asked questions. Then we'll create, um, sorry, let me do an A tag, so anchor tag, just so we are able to link them when the person clicks. So HIF, sorry, use hash. So all we have to do is just click here. I think we want to do it 3 times. So Shift Alt down arrow key 1, 2, 3. It's not showing. Okay, I have to go live. Okay, so let me close this. Yeah, so you can see we have it here. We'll work on them. Now let's change the names. So I'm going to pause the video and then change the names accordingly. So I just changed the names and then I'm going to copy this again. So copy, Control C, paste it down. And I'll change the class name to 2. So if I enlarge this, maximize this, you'll see we have it here. I just have to change the names again. So I'll pause the video and change the names. Okay. So I've changed the names. Then you can see them here. Okay. Now let's see what we want to do. So we want it to have icons. So as we have here, some icons here. Okay, so to do that, let's go to our main. Sorry, still in our index. I'm going to create something called extra. So let's create a div, but I'll call it extra or extras. And then I'm going to create another div within this extras. This div is going to house our social icon. So I'll just call so. I'll do so. Okay, so SOC. Okay, and then I can start with my. So all I have to do, I can just go here, copy this. Let me copy this. Then I'll bring it here, paste it here. Let's format our document. So format, wait, choose the HTML. Okay, so let's see what we have in our project. Okay, so you can see we have them here. Okay, so now let's make it have this. Let's see what we want to make it have. Want it to have this. Okay, the name and then the copyright icon. So to do that, um, still in our footer, I'm going to type. So let's create a p tag. Then inside the p tag, I'll just use the ampersand and then let's try copy. Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay, so you can see we have the copy icon. Then I'm going to type 2023 Escapist Empire. Let's use I and C. Then let's maximize this and then let's see what we have. So there's what we have. Okay, so in the next lesson we'll actually work on the styling. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson, and then thank you for watching. Thank you.